Here it comes.
Gabriel.
I want to go near the track, take it, Mike.
Haha, 20. Get a picture when he comes by, okay? Here it comes. Going kind of slow.
Yeah. It's BNSF, I think.
I think so.
It's BNSF. I think it's BNSF or CSX, I'm not sure.
Yep.
It looks like BNSF, but I can't tell. It is.
How cool. Gabriel, hold this. Hold this. Just like that. Nope. Okay, turn it. Hold it from the top. Hold it.
Too loud.
Hold on. Just hold it. Your hands are in the way of the 20, buddy. Okay,
Yeah,
right there, right there. Hold that. Okay, hang on.
Cowboy.
Yeah, in a second. Hang on. All right, look at me quick.
Huh?
Look at me. Put it up. Hang on, let him get closer and then do it again. And then you can wave. Okay?
Oh, man.
It's all right. Calm down. All right, look. Look at the camera. All right, go ahead. Okay, stop. Awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, I wonder if this is that really long one again.
It's a different one. It's part 2, BNSF train. Holy, same train. That train is this one. That's a long train. Wow. Alright. Let's give it the last train. I know that's bad news, but we have to leave soon, so we should give it the last train. Okay? Alright. Give it the last train. Alright, I'm gonna wait till the end gets here, so okay, alright, it's up now. Here comes the end. The ending post. Here comes the end. The last train, okay? Alright. I know. That was awesome. Last car. There it goes. Yep.
Alright, buddy, let's go. Rocket.
Alright. Okay, I'll get the gate up real quick. Ciao for now.